Item number 4, consider approving a contract between Mesa County and Vance Brothers LLC for Mesa County 2026 surface treatment project in the amount of $2,298,270.51. Laura Page presenting, Engineering Division Director presenting.
Good morning, Commissioners. Laura Page, Mesa County Engineering Division Director. Before I get to this item, I do just want to do a shout out for Josh and Rob on the excellent work that they did on the surface treatment program and their presentation in getting this award. So just wanted to thank them for that. As Josh mentioned, this is the contract for our 2026 surface treatment program. It covers approximately 20 miles of both residential and collector streets in the area of between 29 and a half Road and 31 Road north of I-70B in the, basically the Fruitvale area. This year, we had actually another bidder from the Front Range come over, Vance Brothers. They are one of those major contractors of surface treatment over on the Front Range, along with A1, and they actually came in lower than A1 Brothers, so we are awarding the contract to them. Because of this being our 3rd year with this surface treatment program, the costs keep coming down and down with the competition. And then I think maybe a little bit of that oil price is coming down too. So this came in significantly under what we had budgeted too. So that's just another highlight that it will allow us to start doing some of the other prep that is needed for next year, or possibly add some streets in later on to this year's program. So with that, I'd be happy to answer any other questions you may have for this program.
Commissioners, do you have any questions or comments?
No questions, but thank you, Laura. This is what we should be doing with our money, is get taking care of our streets. So appreciate this this work and looking forward to continuing on.
Thank you.
Thanks, Laura.
Thank you, Laura.
Thanks.
Are there any questions or comments from the general public? Seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.